Winter. The coldest season of the year. In winter, I wear so many layers that if I fall down, I just roll like a snowball. Freeze. To become very cold and turn into a solid, like water turning into ice. The pond began to freeze, and the ducks looked very confused. Wind. Moving air that can be gentle or strong. The wind made my hair look like spaghetti gone mad. Night. The time when it is dark outside, usually when people sleep. I told Mom I wasn't tired at night, and 5 minutes later, I was asleep on the floor. Fire. Something hot that gives off heat and light and can burn things. Look, there is a fire in the sky. It's nothing to worry about, said Mommy Dinosaur. Heat. The energy that makes things warm or hot. The heat from the sun turned our bench into a toaster. Jacket. A piece of clothing you wear over your shirt to keep warm or protect yourself from the wind or rain. I wore my jacket outside, but the dog thought it was a chew toy. Now it's a holy jacket. Sweater. A warm piece of clothing you wear on the upper part of your body to keep warm, especially when it's cold outside. I wore my favorite sweater to school, and my cat thought it was the perfect place to nap. Blanket. A big, soft cover that keeps you warm when you're cold. I wrapped myself in a blanket so fluffy, I looked like a burrito with glasses. Tea. A warm drink made by pouring hot water over dry tea leaves. Grandma drinks tea so strong it could probably wake a bear.
Skate.
To move on a surface using skates on your feet. I skated so fast I almost got a speeding ticket. Mountain. A very high piece of land that rises above the ground around it. Our map pointed to the mountain and said, "Good luck."
Skiing.
A sport or activity where you slide over snow using long, thin pieces called skis. My first time skiing ended in a snowball the size of me. Snowball. A ball made by packing snow together, usually for throwing or playing. The dog caught my snowball and looked confused when it disappeared. Heater. A machine that makes a room warm when it's cold. I sat by the heater so long I felt like a toasted marshmallow. Warm. A little hot, like cozy sunshine or soup. I hugged a warm pizza box longer than I should have.